gaining an experience, as much as I would love for you to always subscribe, like, comment, I would also want for you to learn. I don't want to come on here every time and say, we're having a great chef. I want to communicate with you. Have you been learning? Have you been gaining experience? Has your world of knowledge expanded tremendously? Because me, as the host, I have been learning from these great chefs that always come into this kitchen to teach us how to cook. Guys, please use our hashtag recreate meals. I want to talk to you. I want to hear what you think. I want to know what you have done. I want to see what you have done. Yes, guys, you are welcome to another episode on Zoke Kitchen. I am your host, Mercy Godwin. You know Zoke Kitchen is the heart of cooking, and it brings you extraordinary chefs and culinary skills all across Africa. Yeah, you heard that right, all across Africa. We have brought in chefs that brought in their different recipes, that brought in their different styles, and guess what? They had great personalities. I don't think there's been any chef that came on the show that we didn't actually have a connect. You get? I always had a great bonding time with every chef that has been on the show, and today is no exception. We have, like, she's a fave now. I think she's part of the crew. It's because we love her. We love her vibe, her beauty, her cooking, and whatnot. Her name is Chef Sussanne. Yes, she's the head chef at Sussanne Kitchen, and she has been doing this for 3 years and counting. Also trained with Midelicious Catering Academy. She has been cooking, and I've tasted and have seen, and we've gotten feedback from her cooking prowess. I can't wait to see what she has in store for us today. So guys, drum rolls. We are going to be welcoming Chef Sussanne in a bit. But we are going to go on a short break, and once we are back, you will see the gorgeous, the curvaceous Chef Sussanne. Welcome back, guys. I told you we have a beauty, our fave. You are a guest. What am I calling you guest? You are part of this house now because we've had you one too many times, and it's always a joy and a privilege to stand beside you in the kitchen and watch you perform magic. She always cooks up a storm, and she doesn't break a sweat when she's doing, like, she does it effortlessly, like with all the finesse and the poise. Have you even heard her voice? Very succulent, very soft. Yes, that is who Chef Sussanne is, and trust me, I'm not trying to gas you up anything. I'm just trying to tell you who you are and what you carry, big girl. Okay, so how have you been?
I am fine.
It's been a minute. Don't go away like that. Keep in touch. So, what are you cooking for us today?
I'll be making goat meat pepper soup.
Pepper soup. Do you know where that word is from? Pepper soup. You don't know? Do you want me to say it?
Pepper, just pepper.
Pepper soup. Afang soup, pepper soup. You don't remember that?
Oh, the Lambo trend.
Okay, we want to make goat meat pepper soup. So, hopefully they don't drag me. But we are about to make goat meat pepper soup. I'm going to get out of her way and allow her have the kitchen. This is her kitchen now to herself. She's going to cook goat meat pepper soup.
Right here, I have all my ingredients that I need for my goat meat pepper soup. My goat meat already pre-boiled, scent leaf, my salt, Uziza seed. I like to use it. Seasoning cube, black pepper or Cameroon pepper, crayfish, and pepper soup spice. This contains calabash nutmeg, that's what they call it. Calabash nutmeg and Uziza seed blended together. My pepper mix, yes, fresh pepper, yellow pepper has been blended in this already, and onions. And yes, I'm going to get into it. So first, I'm going to wash my goat meat again before I put it on fire again for the final cooking. You want to make sure that there's enough water, because that is what we need for the pepper soup, enough water. I'm going to season with my seasoning cube and salt. Yeah, I'll be slicing onion into it too. I don't need much onion, I just need it for flavor. So, adding this to my goat's meat. Yes, while my goat's meat is on fire, I'm going to be pounding this. You can blend it, but I'm going to be pounding it. I don't want it wet, so there is no need for me to rinse it. I'm slicing my scent leaf, but I'm going to take out the parts where the stick of the leaf is. You don't want to see sticks. Yeah, you don't want to see stem or sticks of any leaf in your pepper soup. It's not part of the soup. So yes, don't forget, take that out. You need just the leaf, you don't need the stick of the leaf. my goat's meat. See if it's ready or if it's soft enough. Please don't forget, before you use any of the kitchen utensils, rinse your kitchen utensils. It's safer and more hygienic. Okay, I'm going to let this cook for some minutes before we proceed. I'm going to be adding crayfish to my goat's meat stock boiling here. Then black pepper or Cameroon pepper. As you're putting in any of your spice, please make sure that you stir so it can get to every part of your meal. Adding my pepper mix, just a little bit. Now, going to add my Uziza seed. My pepper soup spice. Okay, and for the final ingredients, my scent leaf.
Hey girl, how you doing?
Quite great.
Ooh. Oh my god, pepper soup. But
Yes.
must it have pepper inside of it? Like, is it the pepper that makes it the pepper soup?
No, it's not just pepper, it's the Uziza seed and the calabash nutmeg. It gives it its flavor.
Oh.
It-
Oh.
And then the peppery taste too. So
This sounds like
it's
something
just-
they give women that just put to birth.
Oh, of course, it's medicinal.
I see. I'm not really a fan of pepper soup, but I want to see what will happen to me today. I want to see what might change
love
my
it.
mind about pepper soup. Okay guys, we'll go on a break shortly. Do follow us on our social media handle on Instagram and Facebook at Zoke Kitchen. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, and share. Our hashtag is Food with Zoke Kitchen. We'd love to see your reviews. We'll be right back. Hello guys, you are welcome to Zoke Kitchen, the heart of cooking. We just made goat's meat pepper soup. Yes, and it was made by the beautiful chef Sussanne and the CEO of Sussanne Kitchen. I'm going to test this delicious meal in front of me. First, it's so thick. This is a rich pepper soup.
Yes. Your pepper soup does not have to be watery and look like it lacks
Contrary to popular
ingredients.
opinion. Okay. I'm just imagining this thing with rice. I can feel the Uziza seed.
Yes. It is bursting of flavor.
I'm telling you. God, it feels like it's washing away every impurity. This can actually, no, honestly, she thinks I'm joking. This is beautiful, guys. Please tell them how they can get this.
Okay, yes. If you want to get this lovely meal, you can get it via my Instagram page, Sussanne Kitchen, SUSSANNE Kitchen. Or you can message me on WhatsApp. I'll be there to reply. 070-1804-7870.
Okay.
Looking forward to your orders.
Looking forward to seeing your orders. Okay, guys, we are done with this episode, but we are not done giving you content, premium content on this show. So always stay tuned, turn on the notification bell so you can know whenever we drop it hot. You'll be the first to get a glimpse of what we have here on the show. We'll be going for now, but we are not leaving your hearts and your faces. Until next time, I remain your girl, Messi Godwin. Bye.